heard me?
If you double cross me, then I'm through with ya. You not really about that shit, I wouldn't do it to ya. If you double cross me, then I'm through with ya. You not really about that shit, I wouldn't do it to ya. They wishy, they washy, they mad cause they can't stop me. They riding on my way, they copying me in everywhere. They wishy, they washy, they mad cause they can't stop me. They riding on my way, they copying me in everywhere.
See, double crossing me is more like a felony.
Hey guys, okay, so I'm currently in the bathroom, so I hope you guys can hear me. I told you guys that I was gonna do in my last video I just posted, I said I was gonna do like a big update, like an update on my hair or whatever. I just have to redo these two braids right here over, but my back of my head is done. I know it looked terrible, y'all. But I just wanted to show you, so like, you know, I'm just gonna show you guys the length up here. My hair is really nappy, guys. Just here, okay. The hair stops right here because the rest of it is braided, so I can just try to give you guys show you how long it is from here. Okay, sorry. So just so you guys know, so it's not fake hair, it's really mine, but December 10th will be 2 years, officially 2 years. So I'm gonna show you guys. Let me just comb this out just a little bit. Ow, my hair is so nappy, y'all. Okay, so hold on, because I really want to show y'all, and this is just like from the middle, so right here, okay, but that's just this part. Oh my gosh. So yeah, just trying to make sure I get like the right length of it to show you guys. So it's about close to like my shoulder blade, like it's like right there. If I had the back out, I believe that it would probably be a little bit below, like, oh my god, I'm too fat for this, probably like right here. So I want to just tell you guys like what I've been using. Well, I actually want to show you guys what I've been using. This right here, you can use this for like a diffuser, but I've been putting this in my hair, the tree oil like this, and then it's something else, I forgot the name of it, and I literally put it in everything. I'm talking about like with the coconut oil, my shampoo, my grease. I, you know, put it in my hair like when it's braided, and my hair has been growing like crazy. I wish when I first started and I knew about that I did that, because I think my hair would have been 10 times probably longer than what it is. Okay, so it's this right here is the spearmint. This one right here, this is peppermint. This right here, the tree oil. This right here, I'm sorry y'all, but I do not know how to pronounce that. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I ain't even gonna try. Just some regular grease. My favorite of all, I use this right here. And then it's another, it's a conditioner that I use. And then also the shampoo, I use the shampoo. So what made me start using it is that, I don't know, I looked it up online and I just wanted to know, was it good for your hair? Because I know, like Dr. Miracle or something like that always used to have like this peppermint type of sensation or whatever. So I looked it up, and when I looked up certain things, it started to, like, it was telling me like, you know, you can use this for your hair. So that's what I started to do. And when I started using it for my hair, the only thing I hate is that so the reason why I use this is because it helps bring moisturizer back to my hair, because them oils do dry your hair out, but it do make your hair grow, and you do not have to worry about your scalp being not moisturized, I should say. So I've been using that ever since, and my hair just been growing like crazy, and I'm just like loving it, because I feel like every time I use it, it's like my hair is growing like every day, every second, every minute, every hour. And it's just like, you know, and I try to keep my braids in as much as possible, as long as possible, keep a wig on. Make sure I stay out of my hair as much as possible. I do not wash my hair every day. I don't even wash it every 2 weeks. I might wash it probably every month. It depends on how dirty my hair is. I try to just stay out of it. My hair does not fall out or anything. I really like it. What else? I don't know. It don't really do too much for my edges, but I don't think I even really tried for real. I do think if I tried it on my edges and just like left my hair out without keep putting like a wig on, I think it will work. Not too sure. Oh yeah, y'all, I'm using Snapchat on my filter, so if y'all see it, just keep going, you know. But excuse me. But yeah, so I just wanted to just like, it's just really quick, nothing big, you know, or whatever. I don't know if I'm gonna do like a wash day or anything like that, because like I said, I'm still trying to learn my hair and what products work for me. So I'm not gonna be sitting here and be like, oh y'all need to do this, y'all need to do that, because I don't even know what like really works for my hair. And my hair is actually growing like really good. And like I said, if I was using these products when I first cut my hair would have definitely been longer. So that's it. I don't really know. So I know people's gonna ask me, so do I use it every day? No, I don't. Some products that I do have, I don't have that stuff in there. Now this, I will use this every day. Like if I take my wig off, I will use this one every day. This every day because it just keep like my hair moisturized, or I will just grease my scalp. I don't necessarily have to use that all the time. I probably might use it probably like once a week, or when I feel like that I really need it. Because it's so much oil, and then like when you take your wig off and you have like your cap on or whatever, and you lay on your pillow and stuff like that, oil comes out or whatever. So as far as like using it for like, you know, a long time, I just wouldn't like, you know, do it one day. Or like when I first put these in, I used it, and I haven't used it ever since. So I don't use it every day. Yeah.
Everywhere, they wishy, they washy, they mad cause they can't stop me. They riding on my way, they got me everywhere.
See, double crossing me is more like a felony. I'm a good gal, no need for no enemies. Get under your skin, I hollow space like a cavity. I'm not Alice Trey Black, this ain't fucking Jeopardy. But if you fuck with me, then your life will be in jeopardy. A fatal event, a homicide, that's a tragedy. Double cross me if you want, then I end your whole legacy. Smooth on the beat, make sure you understand me. Going ball for ball like I'm writing this bitch. I know it's deep throat like bitches swallowing dicks. These niggas frauds and they pussy Kate and Jenner this bitch. Niggas dicks too little, better off tucking your shit. I had some bitches that crossed me, it was shiesty and phony. Had some niggas they needed, and some niggas they wanted. Pimp them out if I wanted. Free pussy they loan it. Crisscross these niggas, Air Jordans I'm dunking.
If you double cross me, then I'm through with ya. You not really about that shit, I wouldn't do it to ya. If you double cross me, then I'm through with ya. You not really about that shit, I wouldn't do it to ya. They wishy, they washy, they mad cause they can't stop me. They riding on my way, they copying me in everywhere. They wishy, they washy, they mad cause they can't stop me. They riding on my way, they copying me in everywhere.
When niggas try to double cross me, see I can